All right, time to take a look at the Bean Envy coffee canister. Okay, cool. So I got the chrome one, and the only logo I can see is right there on the bottom. Oh, that's nice. They actually put like a rubberized texture on the bottom. That's pretty cool. So we got a spot for the scoop. We have our hinge. We got our clasp, and then on the top we have a calendar. So this is going to be used to set the day, and this is going to be used to set the month. So whenever you fill this with beans, you can mark that and you know exactly how old those beans are. The really cool thing about this is it has this degassing valve. So what's cool about that is it's a one-way valve. It's going to allow the carbon dioxide out so it doesn't degrade the beans, but it's also not going to let the oxygen in to make the beans stale. So that's a very cool thing to have. We also have our scoop, and this is a 2 tablespoon. That's also got the logo on it. So we can throw that right there. And we've got a little baggie with a bunch of extra filters. So that's going to make sure that this is going to last a long time. There we go. Pretty cool. I'm about ready for a new batch. That's one of the things I really like about this is that this is going to hold a full bag of beans. Not all containers actually do. But if you're like me and you want your beans to last as long as possible, that is the container to do it.